anyhow you people get this video, just collect it like that. So I woke up with so much cramps, but I mean, that's what content creators do, right? Show up sick, show up hungry, show up depressed. I'ma just show up, Jerry. I got this vacuum cleaner from China, and to be very honest, I already unboxed, right? But I just want to show you guys what or how it looks like. And this vibration, that's not a vibrator, please, that's a menstrual heat pad. So this is the mite remover. I'll couple everything together. It has a manual too. Not like I even understand what actually is written here. The manual came in Chinese. Honestly, China people, you guys need to do better. It has a charger. The mite remover. Let me just show you guys how it works. This is how it works. So this is just